Know how get official visa to Turkey U.S. citizen direct aboard? Turkey visa for U.S. citizens. Visa to Turkey U.S. citizen. If you want to enjoy Turkey's delicious culture, tasty cuisine, and unique historic architecture, going the e-visa route is quick and much more straightforward. The Turkish government has made it easier for U.S. citizens to visit by making an electronic visa application system available. The system also allows you to receive an electronic copy of your Turkey e-visa. There's no need to personally visit the local Turkish embassy or consulate to submit support documents and obtain the e-visa. Here are all the necessary details on Turkey e-visa. The United States is on the list of countries whose citizens are eligible for a Turkey e-visa. This means that U.S. nationals can visit Turkey now without much trouble. You just need to make sure to submit your application, and you will be able to do so quickly, efficiently, and securely. Turkey is trying to make it even easier for travelers to enter their country by introducing an e-visa. It was created to help speed up the visa application process, can be used for one or multiple entries, and lasts 3 years from issuance. To travel to this country, you must fill out the online e-visa application form. The process is simple, and it's accessible in most languages. Applicants must also meet specific requirements to get a travel visa to Turkey U.S. citizen. What visa to Turkey U.S. citizen? What is a visa to Turkey U.S. citizen, and what does it do? In 2013, the Turkey e-visa system was introduced and can be used for single or multiple entries. You can use it for a visa length of 30 days or 90 days, depending on the passport you hold. The Turkey e-visa is an online convenience for American citizens who want to come to Turkey. They can visit for leisure or work reasons. U.S. citizens can visit Turkey for a maximum of 90 days with the Turkey e-visa. The e-visa is valid for 180 days from the date of issue. A reusable electronic visa can be used to enter Turkey as a business or leisure traveler. This makes it possible for U.S. citizens to visit Turkey and stay as long as they like. However, they are only allowed to enter the country once within 180 days. Furthermore, a visa to Turkey U.S. citizen will last up to 90 days after coming to the country. Travelers can get an e-visa anytime before their trip gets started. It's just recommended to fill out an application at least 48 hours before departure. Purpose of visit. The Turkey e-visa is an excellent choice for U.S. citizens visiting Turkey as a tourist or on business. With this visa, you can visit several times within 180 days of its validity. If you only plan to visit the country once, get a single-entry visa. What are the advantages of the Turkey visa for U.S. passport holders? Why take the time and cost of going to Turkey for a vacation when your U.S. passport can make all the difference? With a Turkey e-visa, you can explore Istanbul, Give, Ankara, Cappadocia, and more. The e-visa is a quick and easy way to get into the country without all the hassle of generating a sticker tourist passport. There are several benefits to getting an e-visa for Turkey before you travel. It saves time from trying to get a visa in person at Turkish embassies and consulates, and with an e-visa, you can obtain one easily online. Turkey e-visa application for citizens of the United States. To visit Turkey, citizens of the United States will need to apply for an e-visa. Visa to Turkey U.S. citizen are required to fill out a form online. The form you need to fill out asks for personal information and some specifics about your trip. This includes where and for how long you plan to visit Turkey. When you arrive in Turkey, officials will check your e-visa, which is linked to your passport. We recommend that you have a printed copy of the e-visa to show them if there are any problems. Required for a Turkey e-visa application for U.S. citizens. The following information is required for a Turkey e-visa application. Full name. Date of birth. Nationality. Gender. Address in Turkey. Email address. Passport number. Passport expiry date. Your passport must be valid for at least 60 days after your stay in Turkey. Purpose of the journey. Contact phone number. Occupation. Place and date of issue of the passport. For the visa to Turkey U.S. citizen to be valid, you must enter the same information on your visa application. In other words, make sure your travel document, passport has the exact details as that of your application. The passport used to apply will be valid for travel 180 days from the date of issue. If your passport is lost, stolen, or damaged, you must request a new Turkey e-visa. Additionally, if your travel dates change, you must get a new one. Is there a way to find out whether my Turkey e-visa got approved? How will I receive confirmation of my Turkey e-visa from the U.S.? Once you've applied and got approval, your visa to Turkey U.S. citizen will be emailed to the email address on your account. If your e-visa application fails, U.S. citizens should go to the nearest Turkish embassy or consulate. Do I need a visa for Turkey from the U.S.? The visa to Turkey U.S. citizen is available for tourists and business travelers. Americans planning on living, working or studying in Turkey need to apply for the relevant type of visa by going to a Turkish embassy or consulate. Additionally, people from the U.S. who want to stay in Turkey longer than 90 days for work or vacation have to apply for a long-stay visa instead of an e-visa. A Turkey visa allows U.S. passport holders to visit Turkey. If you have a valid Turkey visa, you don't need to apply for a separate e-visa when arriving in the country. If you're only traveling to Turkey for less than 90 days and you plan on visiting for leisure or work, you will need to apply for a Turkish e-visa. I will be visiting Turkey on a cruise ship. Do I need to get a visa? You need a passport to travel overseas, but large cruise lines will arrange for you to do some shore excursions. Travelers can use these special arrangements to avoid the hassle of carrying their passports around Turkey and being required for visitors. This also eliminates the need for an individual visa. If you're from the U.S., you'll need a visa to Turkey U.S. citizen to enter Turkey, but cruise ship passengers are usually permitted to come ashore without a visa for day visits with special arrangements. So if you want to visit Turkey on your cruise ship, it doesn't matter if you have your passport. But it might be a good idea to bring a passport copy, just in case. What do I need to do if I have overstayed my visa? If you overstay your visa in Turkey, you will get a fine when you leave. The amount varies based on how much time during your visit you overstayed. If you overstayed your visa and are fined, you must apply for your next visa to Turkey U.S. citizen at a Turkish embassy abroad before traveling. You may also be banned from re-entering Turkey for a while as follows. Overstay 115 days, no ban. Overstay from 1690 days, banned for up to 3 months. Overstay for more than 90 days, that is, from the 91st day.